Hello, today we're going to talk about the upcoming week and the data that is coming in. In the upcoming week, investors will be closely monitoring key speeches by several Federal Reserve policymakers to assess the potential trajectory of monetary policy in the coming months. Simultaneously, the third quarter earnings season is in full swing with anticipated reports from major companies including Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, American Express, Morgan Stanley, Johnson Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Netflix, Tesla, AT&T, Blackstone, Philip Morris International, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, Intuitive Surgical, and SLB. Turning to economic data, retail sales in September is expected to have grown by 0.2% last month, a slight slowdown from the 0.6% increase in August. Industrial production is also noteworthy with expected growth of 0.1%, down from 0.4% recorded in the previous period. The housing sector will be scrutinized as well with attention on building permits and housing starts and existing home sales. Additional data to follow include business inventories, overall capital flows, the NAHB Housing Market Index, and the New York Empire State Manufacturing Index. The Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index will also join in. Elsewhere in America, Canada will release September's inflation data, retail trade figures, housing starts, and housing prices, while Brazil is publishing retail trade figures. In the United Kingdom, the economic calendar is packed with important data, including key reports on inflation, unemployment, and retail sales, alongside with the GfK consumer confidence and public sector net borrowing. UK consumer price data for September is expected to show annual inflation easing to 6.5%, the lowest since February 2022. In Germany, the ZEW Economic Index is set to hit a 6-month high in October. Also, updated inflation will be released for the Eurozone and Italy. Other economic data to follow includes the euro area's balance of trade, current account, and construction output. Germany's producer and wholesale prices, France's business confidence, and Switzerland's foreign trade will also join in the data. In China, busy week of economic releases will be headlined by third quarter GDP figures expected to reflect a marked slowdown in growth as markets await insights on the impact of Beijing's economic support. The world's second largest economy will also release September's industrial production, retail sales, house prices, and unemployment rate, while the People Bank of China will decide on new loan prime rates. In Japan, all eyes are on September's inflation rate and trade balances, with traders looking for fresh clues on a potential pivot signal from the BOJ. Elsewhere, monetary authorities in South Korea and Indonesia will choose their new policy rates, while Malaysia will divulge its third quarter GDP and September's PMI. In the meantime, investors also await minutes from the Royal Bank of Australia's latest meeting for insights on how the central bank sees inflation risks. Australia will also unveil a series of labor data for September, while New Zealand will share its third quarter inflation rate. If you would like to receive further updates on what's going on in the financial markets, please like and subscribe. Thank you.